RJD could not pick its numbers. It's settling closer to 40, 50. That's just the most awful number that they can imagine. Tejasvi Yadav himself is trailing by nearly 3,000 odd votes. What does this speak of? Yet again, KV Prasad, you want to come in on this? It's such a bad debacle. Last 2020 elections, they had such a chance of winning. In 5 years, they've gone from bad to worse.
Yeah, this has become worse than a T20 match because it's become one-sided. So one-sided that there's no contest left as of now. But it looks like RJD is competing with its own partner, that is the Congress, in terms of who will get.
I mean, Congress is settled at 7, at least so far.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, all right. So, there you have it. The Election Commission has called the election.
We
The
are
NDA
called,
has-
Election Commission might call it or not. We are calling it because we know that the NDA has
so
said that.
the NDA has swept Bihar, and what a thumping victory for the NDA. And it seems like a concise mandate where all allies have done very well. Every ally, including the LJP, which has done far better than the Congress.
It's a Nemo wave, it's not that
Yeah.
Nemo. I really want to clarify it for my viewers. It's not the Nemo film because that was Nemo and it was about a fish who would forget everything within 15 seconds. It's Nimo, so it's a Nemo wave. So we have given it's a Nemo wave that sweeps Bihar. It's not a Nemo thing.
Nitish
so I'm just
and
putting it on record.
Modi.
So I'm putting it on record.
Say
It's
that
not
clearly. Say
it's
Nitish
Nitish
and Modi. Yes,
It's
that's Nemo.
It's not Nemo.
Yes.
If I
So
let's
Bihar
get
has
shown.
found its
There's
Nemo.
another one which is Nana Lokesh has said, and people have started tweeting about. It's also Nani vote. It's also Nani vote.
Nani vote. So it's
Nani
Nani
vote.
vote.
Narendra and Nitish. So you
Nice.
take NA from Narendra and NI
As
from
Deng
Nitish.
Xiaoping said, the color of the cat doesn't matter till it catches the rat. So it doesn't make a difference. What do you call it, Nemo or Nani? The fact
Okay,
is Nemo and
Nina.
Nani is getting
Or
votes.
rather, Nina was the one.
Both are fun catchphrases, fun words, buzzwords now, Nemo and Nani. So, Bihar it is. Nitish Kumar will be the CM. That's, I think, for certain. We have reactions coming in. Let's hear
बता
it.
दिया कि बिहार को अब विकास चाहिए, अपने बच्चों को और अपना भविष्य चाहिए। बिहार को अब जंगल राज नहीं चाहिए। बिहार को तुष्टीकरण करने वाला, परिवारवादी, घोटाला, भ्रष्टाचार करने वाला, जाति उन्माद करने वाला और अपने लठैतों से बिहार के लोगों को पिटवाने वाला, 59 नरसंहार कराने वाला, हत्या बलात्कार के आलम को लाने वाला आरजेडी और महागठबंधन के लोगों ने बिहार की जनता ने नकार दी है। भरोसा बिहार की जनता ने किया है तो दुनिया के सबसे लोकप्रिय नेता, भारत के कर्मयोगी प्रधानमंत्री, गरीबों के मसीहा और विकास के भगीरथ आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी पर और बिहारियों के मन में जिस प्रकार से मोदी जी बसते हैं, अब मोदी जी के मन में बिहारी बसते हैं, आज यह साबित हो गया है।
क्या आप उम्मीद किए थे कि जिस तरीके से अभी रुझान और परिणाम आ रहे हैं, एक तरफा दिख रहे हैं आपके साथ जितने भी अलायंस है सब अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस कर रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल, यह पांडव दल निश्चित रूप से एकजुट होकर चुनाव लड़ा और जिस प्रकार से माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का नेतृत्व, मार्गदर्शन और सहयोग बिहार को मिला, 14 लाख करोड़ की अतिरिक्त राशि देकर बिहार के विकास को जो गति दी, रफ्तार दी और बिहार के लोगों में जो खुशियां लाई गई, उनकी समृद्धि और उन्नति हुई, गरीब कल्याण का काम हुआ और बिहार से 3 करोड़ से भी ज्यादा गरीबी रेखा से बिहार के लोग बाहर आए, लोगों ने अच्छी जिंदगी देखा, विकास देखा, जंगल राज को नकारा।
महिलाओं का बहुत प्यार भी आप लोग को।
बहुत ही माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के जो विकसित भारत के 4 स्तंभ है, किसान, महिला, युवा और गरीब, वही चारों स्तंभ बिहार के भी हैं जो 2047 के प्रधानमंत्री जी के विकसित भारत के संकल्प को पूरा करने में बिहार भी बड़ा सहयोगी बनेगा।
Okay, so I think BJP is in a very happy mode. I'm joined by Sujata Paul, spokesperson Congress Party, Dr. Rajesh Ranjan, spokesperson RJD, GM Shaheen continues to be with us, leader JDU. Vijesh continues to be with me, Smita is with me, KV Prasad in studio, Nabila. So, bigger issue here. Do you think that this poll will have the capacity to impact adjoining states. I'm asking specifically in context of one state where BJP has been trying very hard since 2014, West Bengal.
100%. I think this is Mamata Banerjee, if anything, will be sitting glued to the television.
Yes or no?
I don't think so. The reason I don't think so is that, the buffer of Nitish Kumar, which works wonderfully for NDA in Bihar, works completely opposite in West Bengal. West Bengal, I don't think there's going to be a division of any Muslim vote, because they know that if Mamata goes, who will come and who will rule the party. Here, the Muslims vote for AIMIM, Muslims vote for NDA, Muslims vote for JDU, because they know that if NDA comes to power, Nitish is going to be the chief minister, and that is why, Kartikeya, if you look at the entire narration or run up to the election or run up to the voting in two phases, it has not been even like 10% of the communal pitches which we are used to in witnessing elections in other states. There were, Yogi Adityanath made 3-4 rallies in Siwan.
Okay.
There were talks about Osama Sahib to Osama bin Laden, but it never became communal in the narrative.
A small break.
It'll be a completely different.